Hello, Sweathearts. It's time to get our cardio on with Ministry of Road by Machel, Montano. Let's get started. Arms up above head. We have 4 beats with the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to see this throughout the dance. Then, this is our signature move. I'm going to show it from the side. The feet are just tap, 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 and the booty is bouncing around and around. Tap, 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 tap. Arms are going to come from the bottom, and they're going to come up to the top. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super fast. Facing the front. It intros. Ta, 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 ta. Da 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 da. All right, next section, we're going to take a little walk to the right. I'm going to show it the easy way first. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's saying we want more, so we're going to go like this with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up our cardio, if you're up for it, we go 1, 2, 3, kick, pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front, the slow way and the cardio way. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that run and clap, we go back into our signature step without the hips. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Verse 1. We have a little pony. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, right, 4, around to left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the hands are pump, pump, around again. Pump, pump, around, other side. Arms and feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, 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 pop. Left, right, around, repeats. Double pump, tap, 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 tap. Double pump, tap, 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 tap. Great, we just came around 5, 6, and 7, and 8. We have a little grapevine step and a push the hands, it's throwing. 1, 2, 3, together. V-step, front, front, and in. Front, front, in. The arms going up, 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 up. To the other way. Throw and throw together. Up, 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 up. Pa, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We just did our fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes that grapevine throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Moving on. We just finished pa, 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 pa. We're going to take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hands are slicing across. Then we walk back, starting with the right foot. Pa, 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 pa. And we're just bringing the arms back with us. So the first one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second one, same 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to jump rope back with the hands, and we're just going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 of those facing the front. Let's do our second one. We come here, throw, ta to the mirror. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, jump, rope, ta, ta. Repeats. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips, 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 hips. All right, great. Moving on. We're going to get the booties working now. I'm going to show the feet first. We step 1, 2, 3. And then we tap 5, 6, 7, 8. The booty is going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the other side, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms are across the body, 1, 2, 3. The downstage hand with the downstage foot pumps, and 1, tap, tap, tap. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and slow, feet and hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slower with the booty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little faster facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes right back into our run or walk with clap. Hit, ta, ta. Hit, ta, ta, ta. Hit, ta, ta, ta. Signature move. All right, we have one more section to learn, and if you're in a class with a bunch of people, this is a call and response section. So I'm going to show one side first. Stage right. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. We want more. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and you jam 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are 4 hits anywhere you want. Ta, 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 ba, 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 pa. Dancer's choice. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also call here. We want more. Pa, 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 pa. We want more. Ta, 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 ta. If you're on the other side of the class, you start with the pump. So if they call we want more, you're doing pa, 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 pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. We want more. Groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want more. Pa, 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 pa. We want more. Side and side, opposite. Facing the front. We go. We want more, and groove, 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 groove. We want more. Hands are calling. We want more. Groove, 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 groove. We want more. Pa, 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 pa. All right, we're going to put all those sections together in the In Studio with Music. Let's dance it.